So on Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Gold TV channel 119, Multi TV, Dick Boss, no, yeah, live, and so also. Yes, streaming on all our social media platforms. Check here on Facebook, Adom TV, Adom TV. YouTube is here, Adom TV. When you say na ya share link, you be so enye bi enhwe. Ja comments eto ase ma honte. Send am ka kire no. Ye kenka nipa bebre message ba mpato de ba na se. E ya teli ne kasa ntwia me sorry. Ye ntimi nka ha ye nya ne sa. Why? Ti wo ma de ba na se hote a ka wa se wo hia so be di obi atem. Wa se me wo wakoma so apeso kan ka. Wo hia so be di obi atem. Se wa dwen ma ho nya kama. Nenke no bia enko then mabjafo atras me dey akwesi is for happy birthday enko for my prophetess Grace Osu Afenyi oye panipa oda Grace Divine Healing Ministry International no ya na tena kese ewo ekumfi adanse ene eye wawoda prophetess nyame enhira na onyo kese ko ise obeye kese pa happy birthday enko enfama. Also, happy birthday, Uncle Efma Ora James Kojo Brown, CEO, Edma Joshop Construction. Oh, wow. CEO, happy birthday. We wish you all the best. Yame mani shida. Ninsu parinko so, emto wajuma awo yeso. Normal, aukodro, any akwanchita because of the CSA Ghana, akwaibia, yadwe show saying. So happy birthday once again to Joshop of Joshop Construction. Yadwa Kubefi, a member of the NPP National Communications, the former acting director of communication of the party. Then Honorable Stugard, a member of parliament for the good people of Brekum West.
Akwaba.
Akwaba.
Yeah, Makwasi. Ishia yache.
Akwaba.
Yeah, Makwasi. Makwasi ishia yache. But Joshop.
Yeah.
To be very honest, Ejuma Oye from Sunyane Ebe Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
Is doing a very wonderful job.
Oh, nice.
And the birthday, Ochiana, means Mefa Kwenye so. Na Machiano. Na yes, say Ejuma na Akano. But so far, there are areas because you be drew within the next 2-3 weeks, we do na asphalt.
Sure.
Now, the kwan of faso ye adwuma mani age ho ne se ontutu kwan no nyina mmom bia 5 kilometers
yeah
na wa ye ho adwuma na wie asfalt ansa na wa connect say ndi emma disruption emma kwan no so Kumasi Sunyane is working on sections of the road and I think he's doing a very wonderful job. Ogasi maybe any say na Brekum West meti omunka che be na watwe mieduni unim say mitia me na chikakra ndima bedui na mefo akwanya so na machia me mpanyimfo DC me ko ye se de wa hwe akira bo adwuma ama akira ye kama chama ne mpanyimfo nyina agwasi menchi omo na agwasi mesre na wa ma me kwan isane se abonofo a ewo America ene Canada na wotwe etwa mu no mo ye awanwade bi ewo Denver, Colorado, United States of America. Abonofo ewo Canada ne eye America nyina.
Okay.
Na ye ka abonofo a eye Bono East ahafo ene Bono 3 regions.
Yeah.
Ediomukuo no moto ne is a Council of Bono ahafo resident in North America. To North America no. Kubana. Na jumadi omudi ye ne se omo afa to omo ho so se eye Sunyane Teaching Hospital.
Okay.
Omo ebesi dialysis center. Aban ye na famu de na mum yenuamu efiri bono hafu nyina akodi America na Canada akabum so omo besi dialysis center. Na kwasi awrehosam ne se
Sunyane Teaching Hospital.
Sunyane Teaching Hospital.
Okay.
Awrehosam ne se the whole of Bono ye ne one center ho. The whole of Ahafo ye ne bi. The whole of Bono East ye ne bi ho. Western North unenze ene omo ne bohye wo doman krankwanta ebi ni ho Savannah ye ne omo ne bohye wo wanchi Mamboy 5 regions we nyina put together obi owo kidney disease bia no omo da dialysis so no akwasi awrehosam ne se agese omoba komfo anoche ana se kolebu na komfo anoche no nso yesana se pressure wo ho nipa free north savannah oba bia 3 days na oba betwen nyese wo appointment so beduru ne ya enti amanipa bebre ahwere omo nkwa omo be free sehwiyo so be free sampa be free miami oboba bedu komfo anoche no even travel cost oba bia beda enti abonofo no yo amoadwen so omo abeboa no mo si center no bi osunyane to cater for 3 regions and western north ne savannah.
Okay.
Yankopon adom eye da no August bosumi 30th 29th August ya na dwumadie kese course o Denver Colorado na opanyimpa o tie adwam eye bono president of the regional house of chiefs. Okay. Eye osiade yo Osajefo Dr. Ajimambadu the second oye do mama hino no so na bunu nyina oye president na kwesi na ade na efe. Okay. MPC wo bunu mamu omoto nsafre na nanoma aka ode ne ho afram council of state member no ankasa nso san ye manhene wosuma unu yerikeje ono ni kurom hene osan ye council of state member ono ba bi ya yenua neck down so abiam.
Okay.
Ghana link.
Ghana link.
Akwasi we di show pa $50,000. Wow. And all the bebo adwumadie no. MPC ekoye abonofo ahodo ekoye. O sia de yo $100,000. And the boy MPC bono regional chairman ekoye. Okay. Deputy CEO Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund nana akantwa ono na ye chairman na dwumadie no meka za kwasi na fekeke se dia abonofo utumi ka bo mu na ye yiyi sika ya ye di besi center no bi na ni jesem ni se Ghana Medical Trust Fund Mahama Care no kidney dialysis no se abeye free na mom center no to travel to a center nyankopon ya adom na yetumi wia
okay
ya de kese ema bonma nti mebo ko bana empanyimfo abaso na akwasi ye ko ye Denver mpanyimfo ewo ho ye Denver president ye Andy Komolo de ye nua panyini tiomo ne mpanyimfo ewo ho de ye ko bana mpanyimfo Jody Graft na osika mo kwanya akwasi omo hwe US no na ya dia so ani papa e akwasi memfa kwanya so na
no mase
men na bono man ase kwanya ye fa so boaye akwasi blasters match ye na nka agenda ho badam ze no ma me kwanya na me kan bi na ma nya hwe ya nka bi I will be very much okay na menchi amenu so ne ze menu ya no enuafo prekupe na dia gwasi menzomasua o menu ya ho a me pe na sem ne se unim zo no na manyo sem ya atem didi enim enti amanyo sem abehwe na we anu ayi ni kana we yakohuna mane no minhu se we nyasa amane bi na me gidi se in a short term no why we ya obeka se unhunu benefit because wo a wo mponche no edu se edidie bi ba na so chefan ewom kura na ye twa fa ho didie ya ne se mini ye twa fa no ho sa ya na mom de mesele so onko so sa okay ne mre beba
ya let me to say
oh me dase nyame adom mami ni kan chia menua ya fe santu en say brekum ni askore de me mitimi de akonya brekum
okay
o mo so timi de akonya askore bibi brothers mu nyina yenua ne wo mo prekope na ya na koyen semu baby na so ye de be ni na brekum ya sante menua ehasi ni ade ade enchia de sankatew but me maame akosu afrimpo manya me fa ni sie o se wo ware bentofo a udi na no chiame enen semu da paso no e dos nti menua na ni atio na o ye brekum ni na oni nti ya nti watwemu a pese enye na katam na so na so de agakwa enya okwa de ni e be bae no so na menua krate vitamin perfecting your English, the essential guide to effective English communication. Yeah, politics ni na academia no si nyae. We Ghana Education Service o magiatum. Okay. Yeah, it's about 5 areas. Yeah, be boa right from JHS up to the university. and even beyond. Yeah, nyamiadom amanfo eto. Oko Legon Big Shop a unsa beka bi. Say Peace FM crowd drew security to a unsa beka bi. O me number so na frame unsa beka bi. MPs no ebia toto bia.
Timini o copy. O copy.
Mini o copy.
Okay.
Na copy dey say o ka se come the media say copy dey no entukom. Nti ye bi ni enka ni ye. Ya mini ya dey trade ampo ase nen so nyamiadom ye raba omia amani muso.
Okay.
Yes o te fa ko na to ade so. Or Mpensenpensenmu.
Okay.
He's such a wonderful person. Adia ba ko a me pe wo de ho se de na me nu edi me ho dance no saa so na ba omi atie. Na no mfom, na no nkantia, na no ejina ho ma omanyo, ejina ho ma nkabomu, ejina ho ma nukridie. And that is the man we are talking about. Na ye nua no kafa an hu nyina fi kura de have tell you simo kire se ne dia. Akwesi me boa. Ede de atani general no amuse nya nukre. Afi nsem o kan me brom je nhu achi nye ne ade no. And digitalization ni ade nyina no etimi abamu a menu yegusu ayeye ho adwuma nti adwuma a woni akufu ado yeye menu yem him kakra se menu akoka se ne eye dialysis ayi no se idie akufu ado time na start ye be ko no mu be sabosumi be sensia se 1 year no tem the records are there nti suma bana mo ye bi ato aso aboso ba na maja paye na mum say ye rewrite history no die obi anim say in the history of Ghana die dialysis machines beto ye de to de ka ho ene se de call data you know in any case health insurance we see cancer na ye de aye mama ka nti ye de nyina ye ni ba kotrim nti medase onyame nka ne ho na asante man so ade ewraba omi atom o mo si bi hwe no ma na atom ebene
okay
obu hwe bi wanu obi tu na atom ebene na afi so de wadi kan ne to na de to so bi so no nyese sebe be ko idi fatana fatana ko no ne watimi aye ne obetimi aye any your mind said yes agina to me na ho hye so no obi anchiri fo asempa kodo
berase yes babeka say 2025-2026 academic year no ashase open senior high school papa do ba akwa St Andrew Senior High School da mekanfo ede amawo eti ebie akwanya de atum form 1 form 2 na form 3 obi abetimi aba na so abesua de St Andrew Senior High School GHS for afede mo wie ya mo pe school mo apemu a mo nya school papa ba akwa na awofo ebetimi ama abadachi awie period ama no St Andrews Senior High School achechirefo wa afama o tema eno odo eno de kirade o kire nkwara na ese wakasa ye from manti obi okọ St Andrews bia no ebedi wada se akato so onko manabrabo enye basa ye okrobatan bi ewo asimfosu mankesim Accra Shama Dunkwa Onofin New Edubias na fe sehwi asanwide so bibia ni afre 0244 696 911 0244 696 911 and at 020 789 1004 020 789 1004 St Andrew Senior High School papa obetimi do bako akosua ade ernom Joy News Habitat Fair third clinic and so baso na esha se memre de ye September 12 ekosi Sunday September 14th baso ewo God Park ya ewo ebe Accra Mall. It's a Joy News Ecobank Habitat Fair no ye nyina fie de ekwokyere asebi on se ne wom se obi a okwa asebia so fi na pese oto se fi na pese osia onye nimde ne ho akade baabi a betimi ato ne papa e de akoye ofie wona so asemedi gbede ebro Drive G VGH or say drive into a sustainable future when I can be a virtual security Africa Safety and Home Solutions Superlock Technologies Limited DPS Pipes Elegant Homes and General Construction Limited, Gold Key Properties, Ayuda, Ghana's #1 service app, Abako Services Bebre, Special Gardens, DBS Industries Limited, Door Masters, Lesh Fortunes Limited, LandlordAfrica.com, The Builders Market, Right House Energy Limited, Syntex Tank, Automation Ghana, Interplast, Jopen Security, Clifton Homes, Western Villas, Nafe, MTN, or see everywhere you go. Eti ye nyina fie de enchras me kan say chebeto 1000 Ghana se twagum *281#. *281#. Select option 4. Twagum sa me wi a me ma 1000 Ghana cedis. Asana masani out. Sugar. Ye ba blaster just ba quick one. Wa wunu ECG for proposal na kuma PURC.
Agwasi ma hunu bi.
For 225.
Ebi na dama na mu.
Wa print bi crowd.
Agwasi say we dey wa unim say a negotiation strategy. There be a more qua no more pajam because Omunim said the Omoko. I remember say the last upward adjustment, the more requested for I think 54, 97.
Yeah.
The other one omoko 54. And the way 225 for omoko munim say omunya 225. But they want adjustments. The person may touch on key issues.
Okay.
Ewo ECG a esese akwasiye nyina yedi ani edi akire. Maka wo ha on record. Say enhyehyeye ne reforms a eba no. Mempese the next 4 years President Mahama ne brand so say wo 4 years e gba wie na yeda so eyusu adjustment na yede solve your energy problems. There should be reforms ebeboa, and I'm very happy say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and then the minister assures a number of reforms to improve efficiency of ECG. No say ECG ehia sika to replace obsolete equipment. We transformers ebi mframabo ya na nkane akọ baby nso eduru anwumre wa wanso o nkane na wear condition and time no dey also money ade. They need money to do this. Meters bebre aye so obsolete say reading kra no emfa. Either say ready bebre and as intimi ready.
Okay.
They need money to do all these things. Namom ni nyina achi no de ye besre ECG ne say omonso behwe leakages na da bia ye ka ho asem na omo plug holes no. Transmission loss, distribution losses akodo ekoso ewo ECG omo distribute to various homes. Illegal connections akodo ekoso nyina no omo modern say omo beje sa sikani nyina de abeto foto no na fei enkanka de ye friend smart procurement ye nyina anim. One of the issues are ECG over the years create problems here. Procurement dey be to me turn woman no bebre begu ho de be use the next 3, 4, 5 years na ya so abegu ho ye nhia ne sisi enti megitum se SSE ECG na me part of Ghana de ECG nye omone my service netco. You know, ECG provides over 70% of the country, about 73. And far greater Accra, Moa, Kusi, Ashanti region. I'm part of Western region. But yeah, you one of them part, Econo, Netco, and they provide your services. But ECG, say the medical can a strategic national asset or mine be power, energy security, a very key. So let's wait. Now, PURC response to proposals omode aba ye behwe se afanu mienu nyina betena se no mo adwojo hu kwan pa ye befa so significantly enough ECG ka se omo betumi keep your light on na se omunya increase, and the minister has assured us say the days of erratic power supply as you see now we've entered a new phase. You benya stable power. Enti at the end of negotiations no ye be hwe se ye be protect consumers na ye mfa increase atwamene embeto consumers so na at the same time nso ye be hwe se ECG nso no benya sika ombetim dia ye omodwuma akwasi going forward the way aban we atoto energy and Roma. The major cost component fuels are the power plant, and we are relying heavily on thermal plants. Despite the Kosombo Pond and Bui, still thermal plants are account for over 70% of our energy supply. Enti hona katwitwi die no ewo ena ye use heavy fuels ena de power. Enti abayan mu NDC President Mahama Dano nhyehyeye de Ghana gas by tuabo gas say yebetumi generate power from your thermal plant at a cheaper price. In fact, we check gas cost now less than quarter of what it costs to use fuels, enti obuild a tuable gas oba second time they were inaugurated committee more feasibility studies plans are underway to build another gas plant enti yenya gas plant no bibria your reliance on a fossil fuels na nkasa a heavy fuel no ebeba from ama your generation no a benya no so cost no etumi aba from ebeboa ama a consumers ho atomo eno da nchen a wo hwe a renewable energy act 2011 ye de beto won nhihye edi gu akwan mu ananka ye hwese by 2020 ye energy mix no ye benya renewable about be 10%. Ebesi sabri yentumi hit that target no. And I'm very happy say as part of our Banway energy policy no. They say my nhihye say government institutions, secondary schools, hospitals, and most of government institutions no they be deploy solar systems renewable na reduce cost significantly because sika buying spending electricity bills for secondary schools on Kuano. And yeah, the ketwa. Not quite apart from that. Okay. So you use renewables now. Yeah. Then it means that your carbon footprint impact on climate. No, na you reduce at the above form. Okay. And we share a life cycle cost of energy. Renewable no, far cheaper. Tiabema cost of producing energy, cost of distribution above form. But as consumers you want to me I'm you embrace here make come what by say na me ka say sika *281# select option 4 na etwagum e ba we wi a match 1000 Ghana cedis for spending your time on Bedwem hwewe ye by say Eva makwaba biem eti ma me chebe first 1000 cedis na no pay answer na meja 4 atwa so ma say draw no aba live enti wanya nipa no amwa so na wanya 1000 no online so ana hello good morning. Okay, but you be first 1000 cedis no eko wanya e ma trinkwa. Why? E ma trinkwa. Say wanya 1000 cedis. Yaw.
Onia
electricity.
Ayasem. Minia. Nkani asem de udidi agura be hadwin. So, na nsem ye minia wo bon to fan wo de namba ni ade ade nyina. Some of the quotes I am sending ma no kra me sendi bia ma no. Ma me nkan ade bi wa wo say many politicians are like chameleons in the marketplace, changing colors with the crowd. In opposition, they sing the songs of unity, but in power, they dance to discord. They preach virtue with empty words, then feast on corruption when the pot is full. In the shadow of elections, they promise heaven, but in the seat of power, they blame hell. What, Miba? They call the people good when begging for votes, but curse them when held to account. The elders say, a man who cannot be true to himself cannot lead others with truth. Until the politician learns self-honesty, the people's trust will always be a broken calabash. Amanyofuo binom no, I to say nyanya you say other than toma. So tiasie. Any wo petumi no dia obeka nsema nka wan obeka se Ghana for mam gold nchewe. Enti de menua yi keka ni nsema wo hu nyina no wo munim. E no mo kase wo mo ba enchirechiremu eko o de say 24-hour economy no. Ese edun katia num. De o kan pay ni se ba e betete so industrial yi. Na domestic crowd so na industrial yi. Now the reality has caught up with them. So the only way out they say ye mo modern say ye de bibi be shim. Near into UPA or say PURC so. But the point I'm trying to let our people be person crop 14 and pay minua e more ya pa mobile afin sun yo e so mo atum e be ba ku ye 4% ba ku ye 2% ECG electricity mobile yo mobile afin ko na wie yo mobile e so yenka ne ensi so mo first 6 months no de ne de sun mu na sabe ka de ofru du apa ne e piano na mobile na mo de amamu bone ba yensan tue sika biem obra de mo de tum mu kura no yenka ho asem nwie hwe mamema statistics bi wa ha NPP buy no between 2017-2020 before the COVID no ye reduce ECG what is saying ECG tariff no ye reduce no by 11%. You can check. Me you bit my check phone ni. Phone many brief ni. No.
Wow, you for this already.
Na me di me say me ni. Opposition the opposition me ni a shepe, we say for am for it. So what you say? You reduce no by 11%.
Okay.
Enti ka ni bibi di mu ase a ye nyai emo no kro no. Ye buy ye reduce no by 11%. And no than Chenya Minia NDC for between 2012 2016. One increase ECG tariffs no by 265. Trimodiama Muribino no, and on a bro from me can you know. Ya dan toma. Or pay 2 media or can you say? Oh, and you're better to swam my you know. Now buy no crowd, yes, I want to so crown near 2 mobeto yeno. Monfy and one my any. She baby I could do. So I say, make I say a yemia minia. John Jinapo, interestingly, and on the science energy minister on Joy FM, or can say, frankly, money is a challenge. Deputy Minister confesses. Deputy Minister John Jinapo has confessed that the funding needed to keep power supplies stable has remained a challenge for government. What Trasso said, let me be frank, money has been one of the challenges. The Deputy Minister told by Joy FM's Super Morning Show Wednesday, October 10, 2016. And okay, Moda Mobabia na kawo meboa. Mobabia na ekawo ho. Tam okay, you know more power. Ba ya saka de chi no. Eniema ye di go na kwan mu na menia ye ya den say ye betimi aboa am na kofom no. Se me se be kan ha ebremem. Me no menya politician na ya me call obi kan na me kan bi. I speak right. It we cry 2020 to 2017 to 2018 20 everything and kufu ado aye no 2020 2024 I'm almost done with it. Okay. Se minya obi so mi mu a enkanya ne so omkran so bi no so bere wo mu no enke yes ane mani nyina I have the facts here. Ba me nia ya nto aso mebreba mu kan ni ade na we na we say ni ade nyina no kasa tenten toponko de ye nim no se de kufu ado se no de ya bedru ye. Say na modi ebedru 2016 ye ba ya ye pese asem ye denti no ne pese sue Ghana for adisu enti no wo ha mo nchemu du baako ye yi firi honom mo kro no mo no eka ayi na ECG mo increase no by 265% and na ECG for ayi o masadi abe tariff dey oni amami odi na mengume dey no oh odi amadi jesa figure ho papa 2025 enya de kro 2016 as at the time I saw abemu no na Ghana for ya increase electricity tariff by 265 and na mo sam ba ya eni afi mo sign up 265 me no 225 yeah the omedi jay 265 modern and so no me kai opani
mujamo increment of 265%
yes,
in 2017.
Ghana for a year ECG. They increase it.
Proposal now say
me say they increase it. You can check it.
Okay.
You can check it. Na me nua no sabi oye me nua e na moja ya de kro. Nti nya ya no bi ne ba nka me kompa. And naturally no he's a very good man. Nti na brekum for toma no na ba ko na yesem ni ade no. Otifie so hwe ye kra. So ti ase. Nti me pese me bebrebe. Ba me nua on crop oni bi no. On crop oni bi no. Uni anum bi no. NDC for no. Kane pa no. What is Adumako fi ba? This okutwa bi ansa no abetena se. But eno no me nyi aniema no emrem engu. But the point I make is I say we entaso mu. Mo aba fi penson. Afi nson yo. Afi enson ye no. Hwe se ba bia mo di kan ato ensuo 4%. ECG 5%, or saying electricity tariff 5%. More sa pe bi odi aka ho. Nipa kro ya monu masem a mo kan ye. I remember very well. Now so kai mi nia. His Excellency John Dramani Mama. Na sem ba ko kan na me de pa ni say. Montum tamwana ye wodum so mu no. Na sem a o kan ye ni say. Say motum wa de beda nkaniem. So kai kwazi. I have the people here. The more na ye tum no, the more na ye des nsumu. Enti credibility a NDC ebetumi aka no.
But can we also look at the whole challenge in a holistic form?
Energy sector.
You will challenge what ECG, devoid of the political party in power. A kwebe na asomai, a bit me so daily with that challenge. Because under another dan kokufa, this is kasme kan wasemi APA. under Jomama, under like the Fourth Republic there, Sikasem ewo ECG issue. I didn't know more tone. Dear Nama Kabe ni Edo so ECG.
Intiminia, assembly tea tremo and say, send this in my power that they are fine. Omo ma bakracha ban bia almost 40 years. MPP ma power they are fine. Now a year then and the canon party a particular party the obadia or say chinchina ye de no or say ye no. The more so more no, the more na no mind so ye kwa ahuchirim. Hwe ma mention of bust between 2013 2016. One net loss na a 569 in bust. 20 yeah bust. One bust. South ya say
okay.
MPP yen ye buy ye reduce no by 2018 no ye reduce it to 70%. Then you also reduce it further by 2019 no let's call from yen ye buy efficiency na ye adwuma. Na sabe yeso oba nim nkwan ya no oba no beka cho se me di akokọ na toma me akokọ nkwan na nim ye me pakọ abi ani ko bi me pemobowa ani ko bi wo ye sa de na sa ba no onsa no anya adwuma onsa no anya adwuma.
Okay.
So ti ase e ya dwene e efficiency mebreba amotu amoka ho asem ni mebrebe we nyina no it's not limited to only ECG. I can tell you say almost all the sectors na sabe menua awonhinti de football re akufu ado okro no a whole say ministry foreign or say information ministry.
Yeah.
Sika they call them 5 million. Now what me 73 million. Akoma government spokesperson. Monti bin koi ahohininti. Anu kura de nya say be be what chat to obam.
And what be chirichim say.
What church him say.
What chirichim say that.
Enti fellow squat asem yanyitum.
Menkasa. Other entities but we so enye ye.
On say me no betra say adianse odifa am no say me no dem pen asem ni say nanu mu asem ne kasa. Na me ne ya adwen na nsan me enfila me in political communication me ko kan asem mo baby me do ye me class ye nipa 6 say do mu si tete me no both NDC and PP and one of my lecturers me person me bonidin say you have studied ethics and you are so excellent to the extent say you ko fa lecturer be free Winnie Baba oba a professor all lecture ye no before the class and me bought me din. No, I say when I was doing my PhD, I cited you. I need to know I'm held in high esteem.
Okay.
If free sabreno, as some me kan no, me kokan movement TV. Ade achi ya Wednesday na dia America ko say me sremo, mo fa mbɔ ne nkyɛm. Because kane no ente say ene de.
Okay.
So ti ase.
Okay.
Enti no sɛnea wo kan sɛ no wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛn. Enti assuming say Kufuado and what buy and was a foreign information ministry kwano 41 70 million say na kafele so wachenka e bi ni plan ye kofa hunsemi say na wa mo se broja jamfi deputy interior minister okuje tomo defense minister okuje tomo wa mo se Africa he nyina ye na wo the best yi ene kosi sen enti say na oba na wo kyerɛ mu a say ya anwene wa man no ho ya anwene nyame ho ni ya anwene nipa no ho a say na ye beka no enti wa me no metie me wogidie me warehemu entoto ya ya toto no sie nyina nye ho nkabo mu pa ano a sɛ de yanom ehwie guyi no nyame adom inshallah 2020 de beba power na ebomu no na ne sayo sunti no me metna ha emo akiro bi nka sɛ adom akoba fi on Adom TV when you were saying it he kick against the pricks na ebomu na tiefo no ankasa muntie woyɛ papa nkwanim bete minu ya bre on nkyeremu atie gyan
era se
awazi masre quick one
manyama for message kakra wa sada our for message here already we see akwasi good morning. Ghanaians really regret voting for the NDC and we are pleading with Mahama to bring our vote back to us because he is not fulfilling his promises. Greetings to Nana Ayenkan, we free Keke, Edifika Swa, and our day Ebai. We say, fellow Ghanaians, let's extend our heartfelt gratitude to President John Dramani Mahama for his remarkable leadership. His government has truly made a positive impact, and we appreciate his dedication to our nation. Regards to Honorable Bright Asamoah Brefo, MP for BBNE, and Yanso Akisimid, we free Sefibekwai, and our day by we say more fire. The news is here fire. We say, good morning. Tell my own uncle for Adom Akubefi. He's talking too much. No point. What did Akufuado do in 8 years? MPP will be in opposition forever and ever. 2 p.m. Anyway, free Asante Mampo. Another about a few minutes. Now,
a quick one. Na me aminua. Kase baby. yewura kufuado de beduru ye wo enyina menkane a egina bre
me bo point
be bi odi ebeduru ye
se me kan sem ni nyina pa dia Ghana
for okay odi ebeduru se ojaye eka $3.1 billion energy sector now energy sector financing shortfall enko osenjaye 9 billion Ghana cedis thankfully within 7 months 8 months President Mahama after says nyina energy sector financing shortfall of 9 billion edo na amankania no ejina so no na kwasi on the back of this the hu ne say President Mahama ebe free akonwa so no 2016 law na odeba mra odeba eye energy sector levy NDC fu akuku damfo nyina ka asesa levy wey ebetumi akon atia ye wa abato mu President Mahama ka say not under his presidency no behwe ama energy sector a collapse completely ejode sa levy no buy na levy no buy no am benefit President Mahama buy am benefit implementation started to December 2016 ye free aban so from 2017 January to December 2024 8 years MDP ba aban mu no sa energy sector levy na President Mahama ye no crew 36 billion Ghana cedis
Adom TV
say sika na ese yedi yi energy sector ka free wo ma energy sector no be jira na nan so say sika no ba ya no akufu ado aban amfa anye say adwuma no o no na last e ba bi o ha say omodi bi akoye kwan omodi bi akoye we energy sector levy sika crew ya no of anati o de akoye kwan so the money was not applied to deal with energy sector and yasan aba be to kan say da ho IPPA say o supply power nyina say ka kufu ado aburu agu ho no ye ntua de won supply get the offer ka say omo antoto electricity but akwasi mo free no mo nyina na agu aburu ka na agu ho e na aban foforo aba ubedi ade a ofa ade e wo ho ka wo ho nso aye den ofa enti ka na ya befa no to keep the lights on necessary aban no ye very proactive in the situation na ye wo no cumulative effect of inefficiency of the past government energy sector
na esla kwaso no alusu ofie nti na na boy
36 billion
energy sector
36 billion
asa the time na mo de kono
ose omo
asa the time mo de wo kono na se no na
parliament prove ya be free about December 2016
asa the time no na parliament free yo na mo ye dia wo
na ya law na wie
entemra ben na mo nyɛ
implementation started January
onia efe onia no asoma
January
me ba kasa tintin toponko
ya what 30 seconds
na the one man be 5 minutes we dey mama 3 minutes mama 3 minutes mo ankasa take our home ayi amode baaye ayi fictitious deals amoyeye any card be to ho senya people ne baaye ne rebe negotiate and yetimi ete so 700 million you are talking about car again a car momu jai edit to one no na you close to 3 billion said they walking yeah buy no yeah what you see e ko bie ya no kasa NDC akwate say akwada on the kakra bia no osu
that is typical of the record
oh there na record na we kuta o kasa mi edin
2016
onia na botre
but enye fact the figures
there onia na make kasa say nyame nua ne wa won say me briba wo kan nyina won so to ara me say but the point I'm trying to stress is say e ka de de kan e ka mu jani ho
okay
any won sensem a mu di jan energy mu gu no yenim kura Ghana fo nim say 2012 2016 Yedasum.
Okay.
MPP by ye Emma Mobet
member of the MPP National Communications Team. Honorable Sugard, yeah. Facheme. Facheme. Bedi ya kwesisia. Ocheda for Sugard Medasi. Yeah, Medasi. Yakwa yard watch never said it. Background.